Oh, we'll let you guys know when the pre-orders start so that you don't miss out on your chance to get the new PS5. Sign up to this newsletter and we'll let you know when the pre-orders are available. Sound familiar? I think I signed up for like 5 different places to let me know when the PS5 pre-orders were available. Didn't get a single email. Even Sony themselves said they were going to send an email and I never got one. Pre-orders were gone in less than 10 minutes. Mayhem across the internet. A lot of people were upset because, they promised to let us know when the pre-orders were available, and almost nobody got that notification that I know of. And personally, I was super bummed out because the only thing available to pre-order through Best Buy was the controller charger. Can't wait to charge the controller to the console I do not even own. But amidst all the madness, something great happened about a couple days ago. So a buddy of mine from work actually just managed to somehow get 2 different pre-orders from Costco. Now, of course, he's going to keep one from himself, and I actually found out that he had a spare one. I asked him if anyone had taken it. He said, no, if you want it, by all means, it's yours. And boom, now I have a PS5 pre-order. I was so lucky to actually get this thing. The pre-order that I got is actually just behind me, pulled up right here. So it is the physical disc console because I think it's just a no-brainer to go with that one over digital. It comes with 2 controllers and the Ultimate Edition of Miles Morales Spider-Man. Super excited to play Miles Morales. I think I'm probably going to start streaming again or maybe post on my gaming channel again after I get this console. Super happy with the bundle that I did get my hands on. It wasn't my first choice, to be honest. I just wanted the PS5 with the controller, that was it. But I'm not complaining with the one I got. Yes, it is a little bit more expensive, but I was going to buy that Miles Morales Ultimate Edition anyways, and I was going to inevitably need another controller anyway, so I'm just getting it all in one go. Paying about a couple $100 more than I was planning, but realistically I was going to spend that anyway, so it's not really like a big deal. So relieved that I actually got my hands on a pre-order. I don't even know how that happened. It must have been destiny because I literally had no hope of getting this thing for launch day. And then out of nowhere, my buddy from work just randomly has 2 and one that he doesn't want and hands it to me on a silver platter. Thank you very much. So what that means is I'm going to be posting some gaming content, not on this channel specifically, but on my gaming one. Maybe even start streaming, and we will definitely be having an unboxing, a review, a what's on my PS5 video, a whole bunch of Sony related stuff. So I'm super excited to showcase all of the products on the channel. So make sure you guys subscribe to see that. But to wrap up the video, I want to know, did you guys get your hands on a PS5 pre-order? If you did, how did it happen? Did you get it within that 10-minute window that they were actually live for? Or did you get it in some kind of weird scenario like I did? I honestly don't know how this happened. Like, I'm just so excited that I'm actually going to have a PS5 on launch day. I thought it was going to be a dark and gloomy day in November, just watching people be all excited opening up their new console, and me sitting at home with literally no console because I sold my PS4. But the tables have turned, and out of nowhere, this guy is going to be a proud owner of a PlayStation 5. I'm pumped, and now for the rest of the day, I'm not really doing too much considering I've already uploaded 2 videos. I'm going to hang out with some friends and go to an Italian restaurant tonight, which I absolutely love Italian food, so thumbs up if you guys do as well. Follow me on social media, of course, and there is going to be a ton of content, so do not miss out. Next month is going to be crazy. New iPhone, HomePod Mini, PS5, new tattoo. It's going to be a great month overall. Whole thing's going to be documented on here, of course. But for now, I hope you guys all have a fantastic day. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.